Having trouble with the save login info feature on TikTok? If your account credentials aren't being saved, you are being asked to log in repeatedly. In this video I will show you how to save or how to fix save login info on TikTok app. The first thing you have to do is to go to TikTok here, then in this page, and this one profile, click on profile, then here in this window you will go to this sign on above. After that you will click on settings and privacy, and here in this window, here in this page you will go to security and permissions, and then in this window you will find this sign. You can click here to fix this problem of save login info. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.